morning, baby. Good morning. Wake up, sunshine. Good morning. Today is another bike upgrade day. It's been so long since a bike upgrade day, but today I'm going to Orion Muffler, getting a new pipe made for my bike, and then they're gonna modify the sound of it so it's not too crazy loud. Chica doesn't want to go with me. We rode to Papanga and back. Oh my gosh. My arms are burnt as hell, and it feels like they're like, ah, man. I've got this aloe lotion stuff, so hopefully that helps it. Man, that stuff is burning. But I gotta hurry up, I'm late. I'm running Filipino time. I messaged them, told them I'm on my way, but I'm supposed to be there already. Oh, it's a white milky looking lotion. All right, off to get the muffler done. This will be, I guess, the last day it's gonna sound all loud like this. Hopefully it'll still sound good after. I'm sure it will. Orion's like a major exhaust company, like one of the #1 places in the Philippines, if not the #1. Excited to see how it turns out. Chiki's going home to hang out with Aubrey, so I told her I'd give her a ride to EDSA. Hello? Yeah, burnt. I'm only giving her a ride to EDSA because she doesn't have a helmet. Well, we got some dreadlocks in front of us. Looks like alien dreadlocks. Tito? Oh, what's that? Alien. Predator. Predator, sorry. Not alien. He's an alien, but it's Predator. Predator. Someone messaged me asking if I wanted a Predator helmet. That'd be pretty dope to have one. I think it'd be more for display than anything else. Okay, baby. See you later. Bye-bye. My gosh, it's holy morning time. Wow, it's really busy today. I thought early in the morning we'd get to ride there without all the traffic. I guess I was wrong. Should have took Artigas. I like ducking through there. I'm with you, dude. This is ridiculous. Not leaving any space in the motorcycle lane for. See, you get out of the motorcycle lane, traffic's slowing. Police. Traffic. I guess you gotta get up at like 4 or 5 in the morning to avoid the EDSA rush. Alright, we're like back to our starting point on EDSA. Pretty much just passing it. Do all that to just turn around. Ay. Yeah, we can move. See how this muffler sounds after this? I'm really curious to hear how it sounds. Don't hit me, bus. Wow, that's really bumpy. There we go. First place I drove a bike in the Philippines. Probably about the same amount of traffic, and I was like freaked out. It's pretty funny. Oh my gosh. And I had to ride on this side piece right here, which I've never done before back then. It's going so slow and so shaky. No lane splitting in America. I guess California has it, but I didn't live in California, so you just have to drive like a car drives. Alright, looking for Orion, looking for Orion. Where's it at? Hopefully I didn't pass it. There it is. Orion Muffler. Bam! Where's the man? Time to do a camera switch. Made it here to Orion. So here's what we got on here now. Stainless pipe, but some complaints on my welds, so they need to be redone. What better place to take it, right? Orion's known for doing big bikes, but they told me they do all sizes. It doesn't matter. Everybody keeps beeping at me standing in the road. It'll be all right. It'll be all right. Don't worry. It'll be all right. And it is so noisy here. So next door to Orion, we got a sorry store. Grab me a Coke in a bottle, 15 pesos, 30 cents. That's it. And so it begins.
Some leaks talaga.
Yeah, see? I told you it's always getting leaks. Okay, so the reason I keep always having leaks with my exhaust is not because of the accident. It said that it was built incorrectly on the connection piece. That's why. So even if I didn't get in that accident, it still would have been getting leaks anyway. See by their toolbox, the guys have already been here. Gaki Moto, JMac, Ride 120, I'm not sure who that is. There was my other choice, VMAX Racing. He said they're actually the same company, or they're relatives. They're not the same company, but they're relatives. I thought Orion was just this little shop part right here. I guess it wraps around. We got a sorry store type thing here. I don't know if that's still considered sorry. Got a store here, then it wraps around and they have their workshop over here. They keep the big customer bikes on the side up here. So the shop's a lot bigger than I thought it was. I don't know how much of the pipe we'll get to see them making. Which I think that's my pipe in his hand right there, so they're bending and making it over here on this side. Doing some test fitments.
Oh my God, you're Joseph!
What's up, man? Got JMac here. Oh my God, you're Joseph. You know what? I'm really curious what this thing sounds like without an exhaust on it at all.
Don't rev it, don't rev it, just idle.
Don't rev it at all? It's gonna be that loud without it?
I mean, why? You can just leave it like that. Don't put it down. Oh, hell no.
It sounded like a bubble machine. Here's the rings. I think this is for my weld on my pipe for each turn and bend. So it'll have nice, real clean looking turns and curves. My pipe's coming together. It's coming together. Ray's here. He's got his fairings off his bike. This is the James Bond bike, the yellow one. J-Mac was like, there's a Roosie like yours. I was like, no, it's not. Wait, yes it is. I guess he's doing something custom to his fairings. I don't know. They made it a naked bike. Damn, my pipe is looking dope. Oh yeah. Woo, look at that. Damn welds though.
Sinasabi siya na with a DP killer.
With
DB killer? Okay.
Already,
Let's hear it. Here we are with no silencer.
Why? That sounds dope.
I'm trying to discuss what to do with the silencer to get the sound that I want.
You're recording?
Yes, sir.
Subscribe, dogs.
JMac Moto. You were in my vlog before you got here. I was talking about you on the sticker.
Talking about me?
I was talking about you, and then a few minutes later you pulled up.
Yeah, what's up, dudes? What's up, guys? March 11th. Oh, no. When are they going to publish this? Like,
Oh, dude, this is like,
Next year?
I'm like, yeah, next year. I'm so far behind. I'm gonna make something to post
you guys
that
been to our ride on last March 11th. Thank you guys for coming. Ride with JMac and ride with Joseph and ride with all of the motovloggers. See you guys there. Peace.
Oh, you gotta do my thing.
What?
You gotta do my signature thing.
Huh?
There you go. All right, we got the new silencer in it now. What do you think? You're the professional. What do you think? We're putting you on here.
It's more quiet.
Yeah, it's more quiet.
Just get a sound if you use the DB heater.
It's hard to tell here. It's so loud in this area. Your acoustics and everything. It's hard to tell the real sound of it. There's JMac. Sound good to you, boss?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hey guys, it's Joseph and there's Joseph. Go Joseph! No! Try it out real quick. Subscribe, yo. Subscribe. This is what you get if you leave your camera.
Hat fell off. Where's he at?
Counterflowing like a boss.
Too quiet. Too quiet.
Too quiet?
Yeah, put it back the way it was. All right, so they just made me a new silencer. It's kind of neat. Check this out. I have not seen one like this before. Yeah, that sounds way better. That's kind of neat. And then once it gets dirty, it'll be all blacked out. Yes, sir, you got it.
Yes. It's man.
It's the man right here. Check them out. They got me added to the Hall of Fame as well. Bam. On there, on there. Awesome, that wraps it up. I'm gonna go get my carburetor tuned, wash the bike. If you're getting the exhaust custom made in the Philippines, I really highly suggest coming here. Just look how beautiful those welds are and curves. Definitely, definitely come here. Also, VMAX and Tai Tai, they're really good too.